Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to the second episode in which we will be discussing about the beautiful charanams of the Bhairavi Swarajati. My sincere pranams to Shyama Sastri, the senior most of the Trinity, and he has very uniquely composed this Bhairavi Swarajati, thus proving his uniqueness and his greatness as a composer. The beauty of the swaram in the charanam is that the first swaram of the first charanam starts with sa, and the second swaram of the second charanam starts with ri, and the third swaram in ga, and thus it goes on. Thus using all the notes of the arohanam of the Bhairavi ragam in the beginning of every swaram in the charanams. The Bhairavi ragam is named after the Adi Shakti, the primordial mother goddess herself. This ragam is majestic in structure and it occupies a place of pride in Carnatic music. Whether fact or fiction, one cannot deny the effect of music that it has on body, mind, and spirit. Bhairavi is a Janya ragam of the 20th Melakarta Nata Bhairavi, and it is almost prevalent about 1500 years. The Arohanam and Avarohanam of this raga has all the 7 notes with 2 different Daivatams, making it very special. Several music therapists in the country seem to claim that the 7 swaras denotes the 7 chakras in our body. Thus, exposure to evocative Bhairavi ragam energizes the chakras and the nadis, thus reducing stress, blood pressure, and can even uproot asthma, chronic cough, cold, and even tuberculosis. What more do we need as an alternative medicine? Now let's see the Sahityam of the first charanam. Kunda Radhana, pearly teeth, Kuvalaya Nayana, eyes like the lotus, Talli Rakshinchu, O mother, please protect me.
Sari ni sari ni re sa ni ra pa ma pa da ni sari sari ni sari ni re sa ni ra pa ma pa da ni sari ka Amba Kundarana Kuvalaya Nayana Talli Rakshinchu Kundarana Kuvalaya Nayana Talli Rakshinchu Amba Ri ga ri ga sa ni ga ri sa ri ni ri sa ni da ni ga ri ri ga sa ni ga ri sa ri ni ri sa ni da ni ga ri ka ma shi amba ka ma shi amba
Now let's see the Sahityam of the second Charanam. Kambugala Neerada Chikura. The neck in the shape of a conch and the curly hair Chikura in the color of the rain-bearing clouds. Viduvadana Mayamma. Viduvadana, O mother, who has the face like the full moon.
ಕಂಬುಗಳ ನೀರದ ಚಿಗುರ ವಿಧುವದನ ಮಾಯಮ್ಮ ಕಂಬುಗಳ ನೀರದ ಚಿಗುರ ವಿಧುವದನ ಮಾಯಮ್ಮ